16 hours. We're working nice. We're making nice money. We're Uber bosses. We own this cars.
Good morning, guys. How are you doing? It's another morning, by the way. It's morning. No, actually ni saa saba, by the way. So today is another day, still in Capetown. But tuna have life. Now we are going to another place. I met another lady who is coming from Johannesburg and she's on vacation. So we hook up to the place. So I don't know so much about this place, but she's taking me around. But we are going to have a tour at Capetown, the city, the CBD itself. So that's one of the vlog that I'll be doing. And another place she's requesting I take her. But tunapatana huko. Now there's another friend of mine who was challenging me and telling me, be showing us the outfit that you are wearing, so that at least tukuelewe. And I'm like, oh my god, me I don't do about fashion. I'm not a fashion person on vlog. Yes, I sell clothes, by the way. Nauzanga nguo za Gen Z and perfumes and all that, but I'm not that person who simama na I'm wearing. But let me take the challenge, by the way. There's no harm. A short one. Basi tuka vacation. Hii nililetewa na kazini yangu, anaitwa Sylvie, by the way. Ni aliniletea. Oh my god, may God bless that woman for me. Uni sort na nguo sana. Na nililetea na niko na hii kiatu, hii sneaker. Ui. Hey. Okay, nitaonyesha ikiwa chini. The sneakers pia nililetewa na bishti yangu kutoka Majuu as well, anaitwa Betty. Thank you so much. Guy, by the way, nimevaa nguo za kuletewa. Oh, Jesus, I praise you. By the way, always be happy when people gift you. That shows something about you. God bless those two ladies, my cousin and my friend Betty. Hii kimono nayo nilibai tao. Nilibai tao so 3 kwa hawkers. Na nilikuwa na bargain, aniuzia so 2. Akakataa kanizia so 3, but it's a good one. Uni sort ile time nimevaa vitu short, earrings nza kubai. Hizi nilibai tao kwa shop ya bishtangu Dubois, by the way. If you need this type of earrings, akonazo G39 Dubois Beauty, hapo go there and buy earrings. She has very nice earrings. Vitu zingine rosary, Queen's Beauty. Hii ni auntie yangu alinibaia. Mimi ni mtu wa kubaiwa. My Jesus. Anyway, let's go out. In case nisiwawe na wao pale tupatana, ataniambia toa kila kitu yenye uko nayo. Something else I didn't show you as my sunglasses, by the way. As I told you, we sell sunglasses. So there you go. Sunglasses from Queen's Beauty and Fashion Wear Hub. So if you need them, from 350 to 400 Kenya shillings, depending on the quality and the design that you want, to Konazo, use that contact. Anyway, able to share. Let's go.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals take us
here. We are on our way. Hi Kenyans.
Hello. How are you guys? I'm gonna come to your country, eh?
Please do. Yeah, visit Kenya. It's beautiful.
Gonna make some videos.
Yes, please. I'll take you around once you visit Kenya. So he's my driver as per now.
Yeah,
we are going to Capetown, the CBD.
Very, 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 very nice driver. Don't worry.
I'm secure. Let me put on my safety belt. I don't know why I'm forgetting most of the time to put on my safety belt. But I think it's because it was very hot, but right now it's cold. Seems like it will rain in some hours.
Yeah, it will rain in some hours.
Yeah. See the way you guys have big cars. Woo. Your country is very beautiful.
Yeah.
about Kenya or you have ever heard of?
Say again?
What's one thing that you have heard about Kenya?
About Kenya?
Yeah.
Not. I always watch the videos on YouTube, on TikTok. Yeah, I see a lot of nice things is happening in Kenya.
Oh yeah.
Online.
Oh yeah.
You guys, I love you guys. No?
Oh, okay. We love you right back.
Yeah.
Oh, it just started raining already. Oh, but does it rain forever, like for hours?
No,
for a few minutes?
This is only summer rain.
Okay.
This is like almost like you get dry again.
Okay. I think the sun should be out in a few.
It's raining, but it's still very hot.
Yeah. Bolt business, taxi business.
It's very good.
It's very good here.
Yeah, we're making money.
Because of tourists, right?
Yeah, we're making money because of tourists. We're driving 16 hours. We're working nice. We're making nice money. We're Uber bosses. We own these cars.
Oh,
yeah,
you are rich.
We're rich people. We make 2.5 per day.
What?
2,000 per day. We're making money in the city.
Oh my. That's so good.
Oh, that is very nice.
Yeah. So you don't have any other job?
No, this is my job. I love my job, man.
Nice.
Very good job.
It's not like Kenya where rain goes forever. Just as you told me.
Yeah.
It's funny.
Is the camera on?
Sorry?
Is the camera on?
Yes.
Oh.
I met my friend.
Hello, we're at Bo-Kaap in Capetown.
All the way from Johannesburg, yeah? Yeah,
You can show them around.
Yeah. This is the most beautiful neighborhood, yeah?
Yes, there's colorful houses around me. Show them the area.
Oh yeah, look at it. Very beautiful. This is green. That is, which color is that one?
Purple.
Purple.
There's pink there.
Pink,
There's
blue.
blue, green, and
Yeah, another pink.
yeah.
Hot pink. Who lives in these houses? Who lives in these houses?
I don't know the history,
But there is
but we can show you around. There's another site that's set up there.
Oh yeah.
Let's go up there.
Okay. Yeah. Guys, you can see there's a lot of birds here. Those ones. They are all over. Yeah. Started raining.
The weather is bad and you can't get on the bus.
Yeah.
So So we stuck here. We don't have anything to do.
We're wondering what should we do
Yeah,
now.
So we'll look for something else. We'll make a plan, then we won't just sit here.
Yeah, we need to make a plan and see what we can do. Yeah, she noticed something.
At the boat there, there's a writing. Says
Asante, yeah. Right there at the corner. I don't know whether I'll be able to zoom it using my camera card. But now Asante means thank you.
Okay.
Yeah,
What
if-
language is that?
When I give you something, like I give you my sunglasses, when I give you say thank you. So when it comes to our language in Kiswahili, you respond by saying asante.
Oh, it's Swahili.
Yeah, it's Swahili.
Thank you. Asante.
Yeah, if you give it to me, I tell you asante. That means I appreciate. Yeah, so I guess they wrote it on that part of the boat to appreciate the people who are using it. Yeah, that's so good. They appreciate Kenyans.
Read out the traveler.